want to say a big thank you to the brand team for very kindly sending out to me this amazing DAB radio. This is the V-Archer Portable DAB Plus and FM radio. It is a compact, well-designed piece of tech. This is going to be ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, high-quality sound on the go. This is going to be perfect for people who maybe potter around the house, kitchen listeners, gardeners, maybe you hang out in your garage or your shed and just want a nice little radio to keep you company nearby. It does come with this lanyard, which makes it a lot easier to carry, and the build feel is really solid without being very bulky. So it's also perfect for camping and holidays too. The sound quality is genuinely impressive. Unfortunately, I can't play any music here due to copyright, but it is clear, it is rich and far better than you'd expect from something this size. DAB gives you access to a range of stations, and the colour LCD screen makes it easy to see what's playing. This radio is small but mighty. It also works as a Bluetooth speaker as well, so you can just pair it with your phone or your tablet and just stream your own music if you want to. And there's also a headphone jack too, if you want to keep things quiet. The battery life is really fantastic. It's up to 12 hours on full charge. And it only takes 2.5 hours to recharge it via the USB that's included. It also has a built-in alarm and 40 station presets, so you can save all of your favourite stations. It also automatically updates the time and day as well. So if you're after a small and stylish, but really strong and mighty little DAB radio, this is absolutely fab. I know I'm going to be enjoying it absolutely tons in my garden this summer, keeping me company while I potter around.